The universe is lazy, not a little lazy, lazy by physical law. Like this video for the most successful praise of laziness in the history of science, because this time laziness is right. Berlin, 1744. Pierre-Louis de Maupertuis is already a celebrity. He went to Lapland to measure the Earth and proved it is flattened at the poles. They call him the man who flattened the Earth, but his greatest idea is still to come. It starts with a mystery. Light. When it passes from air into water, it bends. Why exactly that angle? Fermat had the answer. Light picks the fastest path. Like a lifeguard who runs a long way on the sand and swims as little as possible, not the straight line, the smart line. Maupertuis goes further. It is not just light. All of nature, he says, spends the bare minimum of a quantity he calls action. A planet, a cannonball, a ray of light. Among all possible motions, nature always picks the cheapest one. It is the principle of least action. Look around. A hanging chain slumps into exactly the curve that takes the least effort. A soap bubble pulls itself into the smallest surface. Water always flows downhill. Nature never works harder than it has to. For Maupertuis, it was the signature of divine elegance. His reward, a brawl. He is accused of copying Leibniz, and Voltaire shreds him with a pamphlet so vicious that Frederick the Great has it burned by the executioner. Maupertuis dies humiliated, far from Berlin. But he was right. Euler and Lagrange turn his intuition into exact mathematics. All of mechanics, every force and every trajectory, becomes a single problem. Find the minimum. All of physics gets rewritten as a praise of laziness. Then comes the quantum plot twist. Feynman discovers that a particle does not choose at all. It tries every path at once. But the effortful paths cancel each other out, and the lazy one survives. The laziness of the universe is the result of an infinite calculation. And that is the lesson. True laziness is not doing nothing. It is knowing every road and picking the one that costs the least. To be as lazy as the universe, you would have to be practically omniscient. If next time you procrastinate, you say, I am minimizing the action, a like is the least you can do. And tell me in the comments, what is the laziest, smartest trick you use every day?